The projections are coming in fast now, favoring the incumbent party in the central state.
And we are now projecting a definitive win in the eastern state as well.
May 4, 5 election results are coming out today. I usually wake up around 9, 9:30, 10 probably at some times. But today, as if my body was an alarm clock, I woke up sharply at 7. And what was the reason? The TN elections are out today. The TN election results are out today. So all of us are waiting for the awaited results. These are one of the most interesting results. Tamilnadu is going to be a very precious state for the person to rule. So basically, who is that person who's going to be ruling the people and the land of Tamilnadu is going to be the question, the most awaited question. There are a lot of faces, and some of the predominant faces who are going to be seen as the candidates who are going to be ruling. Now, the election countings are going on. People are basically rooting for their own party to win, and this is just not the certain face that you're going to be seeing. So basically, election results before 8:39, it's just trial and leading. Some parties might trial, and then when you check after some time, it's going to be leading. So it's just like that. It's not predictable at all at this point of time. But after 11:30, if someone's going to be having a clear majority, around 11:30 you'll be knowing who's going to be winning. But when you look at maybe 2:30, 3 o'clock, you're going to be knowing who the winner is going to be. If it's going to be decided in a maybe difference of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 votes, if it's in that such case, then you don't know who's going to be winning, right? You have to be waiting till 2:30 to know who's going to be winning. But if it's going to be a majority, if someone is going to be winning with a majority, then that certain party will be crowned as the leader of Tamil Nadu, the ruling party, and you'll also get to know the opposition party by then. So around 12 o'clock, if someone's winning with a majority, then you'll be getting that to be done. And you also have to be looking at the exit polls. The exit polls, whose exit poll is now right. When around 12, 1 o'clock that I'm saying, when you look at the exit polls, you can see whose exit poll was basically predictable. We have basically uploaded a video in this channel about the exit polls and whose exit polls has basically come to work, whose exit polls might be apt, or whose exit polls can be believable. And I've also talked about Access My India's exit poll in my video. So let's basically wait and see what's going to be happening. But from what we are seeing, I'm not sure if that's going to be possible. But let's all of us wait and see what's going to be happening in this case. So whoever's party wins, even the party you support wins or loses, please keep calm. Let's not have any riots on the public. Let's not damage anything on the roads. Most of the people are very alarmed about the supporters of different parties who might cause riots in the roads, and there might be some problems created if their party wins or loses. This is something alarming, and this has to be stopped. So let's all of us stay quiet. Whoever wins, whoever campaigns the best is going to be winning, and that's just it. I'll come back to all of you when the election results come out. When we get to know who is going to be the winner, I'll be back in a while. Stay tuned.